For me, I find picking these doorknob locks is a lot harder than picking padlocks. I don't know, maybe it's just me or the way I pick locks or whatever. I just started, so I'm not sure, but one thing that I noticed that's very different is most locks and a doorknob to unlock, you turn counterclockwise. And picking a padlock, you would normally stick the tension tool in and hold down like that to provide clockwise tension. So I have this other tool here that I can put in, and that'll provide counterclockwise tension because I'll push with my thumb. I try to do the same thing on every lock. I try to start at the first pins and provide pretty good tension and work my way back until I find one that's kind of stiff. And you want to get those little clicks out of it. And work my way back. And there you go. Now the doorknob is unlocked. And then you can actually pick it back the other way, and I'll use this tool. I don't know how well this is going to work out, but I'll try to pick it back the other way to lock it. And like I said, I don't have the key to this doorknob, but the whole point is to not have the key to something when you're picking it, right? So it shouldn't really matter. And you just work your way down. Try to get little clicks out of these pins. And work your way back. And for some reason, I'm finding this lock much harder to pick clockwise than I did to pick it counterclockwise. And I don't know if it's because of the tool I picked or what, but it is like not cooperating right now. It is being much harder. I might have overset something. Oh, there we go. Okay. So that will relock the doorknob, put it back into the lock position.